Welcome back, Red Pack. It's a beautiful fall day today. Got the bike running again. It was all messed up. You guys like my new shirt? Isn't that pretty cool? There's snow on the mountains up there. Cruising along the bike path. No particular destination. Sorry about the wind. It's a little bit breezy today. Not too awful bad. Having a blast out here. It's good to be zooming along again. You guys see the snow on the mountains over there? Can you hear me over the wind? We'll start out heading this way towards the duck ponds and the secret ponds and all that. Now the secret ponds are off limits to us thanks to the party poopers. We're gonna have to find somewhere else. It's getting close to like 3 in the afternoon. It's been getting dark about 6. So for filming reasons, we don't want to go too awful far, have it get completely dark on us. I only brought a thin jacket, threw it in the backpack. The nicest it's been in a while. Finally t-shirt weather. I've been cruising around with my jacket on and everything. Trying to find some nice beautiful fall colors to show you guys. Alright, nobody coming? You guys watch that way. Much faster riding. Here's the duck ponds in the fall, guys. Yeah, and they're putting on a show for us. That's awesome. So beautiful. Sometimes you just gotta get out and go for a ride. You don't have to have any destination. And that bird is huge. I don't know what it is. I'm trying to speed up to catch up to him, but he is cruising. Let's cruise too, guys. Oh, he turned. Probably can't see him on camera. I can barely see him with my eyes. Might be circling back around. And he is gone. Okay, never mind him, guys. Let's stop here at this pond for a little while. Always my favorite pond, the second one. They can't make me leave here. This is public road, man. Public ducks, right? How you doing, guys? Oh, there's something weird in the water. It just went under. I see some bubbles. Oh, it's just a duck. Okay. Set the bike down there. Hey guys. doing? We've come to say hi. Anybody know what kind of ducks are the black ones with the white beaks? I see mallards mixed in with them. Maybe some wood ducks too. I don't know what the black ones with the white beaks are called. Can somebody comment below and let me know, please?